SOC's Office of Communication and Outreach and the AU Career Center brought SOC alumni back to campus to advise students on overcoming workplace inclusion barriers.
As a first-year student, I just found it really impactful to kind of be in this space and hear conversations from people who are in the industry and also other seniors and other faculty members, just learning from them, learning about how the job field is, applying for jobs.
The topics discussed throughout the day included imposter syndrome, balancing authenticity with professionalism, and finding or being an ally in the office. Attendees shared their experiences with each other and built confidence through small group discussions.